What happens when nature plays a part in the outcome of a soccer match? In 1964, the Seasmith Seagulls faced rivals, the Bayfield Barracudas, under the threat of an approaching storm. As tensions soared, a sudden lightning strike hit the field's edge, leaving players and spectators in awe. Unbelievably, the energy from the strike seemed to ignite the Seagulls' spirits, resulting in a breathtaking goal seconds later. As the skies cleared, the electrifying scene became legendary, forever remembered as the coastal lightning conundrum, a moment demonstrating nature's mysterious influence in sports.